Premiere Pro introduces text-based editing, an entirely new way of editing that makes building rough cuts as simple as copying and pasting text. Powered by Adobe Sensei, text-based editing uses the latest AI to automatically transcribe footage. Review transcripts of your source media in the new text-based editing workspace, or search for keywords to find what you need even faster. Select text you want to use and click Insert, or use keyboard shortcuts, and Premiere Pro adds that clip of the video to your sequence. Add more clips and watch the rough cut take shape on the timeline. Once you've gone through your source footage, switch to the sequence transcript to work on the rough cut. Copy and paste text to move clips, delete pauses, or correct spelling. No more paper cuts. Just edit the text in Premiere Pro, and the rough cut is done. When your edit is finished, you can use the sequence transcript to create captions for your video. Create rough cuts faster with text-based editing in Premiere Pro.